Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A21s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by using this button here in the left corner. When we tap on this, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features, and at the third position here we have the grid lines. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works here. And for now let me keep this turned on, and let's go back to the camera to show you how it looks like. And as you can see, it generates as these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner to the gallery, we can see them at the real picture. So these lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need it, we can easily go back to the settings in the left corner, slide again to the useful features, tap on this button, and for now they are gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and give the thumbs up.